Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some Friday-only deals. We have some really awesome drink deals and glitches to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so in this video we are going to be specifically talking about the 3 off 15 game day snacks DG store coupon that does expire today on April the 1st. Now, I did upload a 5 off $25 scenario video for Dollar General earlier today, and in that video I did include this game day food deal. So again, this is the last day that we can use that 3 off 15 game day snacks DG store coupon. So we did receive quite a few new food coupons over the last couple of days, and I put all of those together and came up with a really good quick and easy deal. And after coupons, it ends up being $6.60 for all 10 items, making each one just 66 cents each. But hold on just a second, because we have a couple of glitches going on with this 3 off 15 DG store coupon, and I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Glenda Huggins, Melissa Phillips, and also Amy Stotts. All three of y'all reached out to me and let me know about these deals, and y'all was saying this in the comment section 2 days ago, so I really apologize that I did not see this sooner, but it honestly, it's just been a crazy week. But nevertheless, I saw it just in the nick of time so that I can get all the information out to all the other crazy couponers. So thank you ladies so much, and if you will send me an email to crazycoupons1@gmail.com, I will send y'all a little something special in the mail. Alright, so first up with this glitch, y'all have to do it as a pickup order only, alright? So we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $11. But when you do it as a pickup order, it is picking up the original price and taking off the sale price plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So if you try to do this in the store, it's going to knock your total down below that $15 mark, and that 3 off 15 will not be applied. But if you do it as a pickup order, it is working with the 3 off 15. It's picking up that original price before the sale and applying that coupon. So if you want to pick up 3, you're going to end up paying $8 plus tax. In my area, it'll be $8.48 for all 3. Now, I was kind of playing around in the app with the other drink deals that we have going on this week that are on sale. So I know we have Coca-Cola and Sprite. We have 6 packs. We have Pepsi and Mountain Dew. So you guys can definitely play around, mix and match, and see what y'all can come up with. I did not try the Coca-Cola and Sprite, but what I did do is put in the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $2.50. These are normally $2.35 each, y'all. Oh no, we cannot pay that price. So what I did was I put a total of 8 Dr. Pepper 2 liters. You can do the regular or the diet, it doesn't matter. Put a total of 8 2 liters in your cart as a pickup order. Your original subtotal would have been $18.80, but it is applying the sale plus the 3 off 15. So that's where you're getting the $11.80 coming off there, and that's going to bring your subtotal all the way down to $7 for 8 2 liters. Now, I will say that in the past, we have had better deals on Dr. Pepper products, especially when we get those DG store coupons for 1 off 3, and we can stack that with a sale, but we haven't had those in a while. So if you need to stock up on Dr. Pepper, I think this is a pretty good price. I mean, $7 for 8 2 liters when these are originally $2.35. You can't really beat it right now at any of the other stores. So this is definitely a great deal. The Pepsi and Mountain Dew deal is a great deal, and no matter which deal you want to do, don't let that 3 off 15 expire. Y'all get out there and use it, because it's not very often that we get really good deals on food products. Now, I also wanted to point out in this video that we do have DG rewards on food items right now. So y'all make sure that you are signed up for your DG rewards. And if you want to go ahead and complete some of those rewards, I think that would be a great idea and a great way to use your 3 off 15 DG store coupon. Now, there's one DG Rewards that I wanted to talk to you all in particular about, and it is this one right here. We have earn $3.50 towards your next purchase of $3.51 or more on Clover Valley Purified Drinking Water when you spend a total of $15 or more on participating products. Now, this one really sparked my attention because it is a spend 15 for the DG Rewards, and it is a spend 15 with that DG store coupon. And again, normally we don't get a whole lot of great deals on bottled water. And hey, who doesn't need some bottled water? Even if you don't drink bottled water regularly, you can always stick it in a closet for emergency situations. So for this deal that we're about to talk about, we are going to be focused on the Clover Valley Purified Drinking Water 32 count. These are priced at $4.75. There's not a sale this week, unfortunately. Now, there is another pack of Clover Valley bottled water. It's a 24 pack and it's priced at $3.50. But I think with this 32 count, we're kind of getting a better deal. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment section and let me know if you can come up with a better deal. I am all ears. So for this deal, you want to pick up 4 Clover Valley bottled waters, 32 packs, and that's going to put your subtotal at $19. You're going to use the 3 off 15, and that's going to leave you paying $16. So you've met that $15 spend total for your DG Rewards. So that means within 24 hours, you're going to get back a $3.50 coupon for Clover Valley bottled water products. So that is going to bring your final price to $12.50 for all 4 packs of waters. That's going to make those $3.12 each, and you're going to get a total of 128 bottles of water. Now, like I said, you're going to get back a $3.50 coupon on your next purchase of $3.51 for Clover Valley products. So I'm not 100% certain that this will work, but if it does, here's what's going to happen. You're going to take that $3.50 coupon and you're going to go pick up one of the Clover Valley 24 packs of water for $3.50. Now, hopefully with tax applied, this will trigger that $3.50 off DG Rewards digital coupon, and that'll make your final price $12.50 for all 5, making those $2.50 each, but you're getting a total of 152 bottles of water. Now, if this works, you're basically getting a 24 pack of bottled water completely free. But again, I can't sit here with 100% certainty and tell you all and promise you all that this will work just because of the way that the DG reward is worded. It does say $3.50 off of your next purchase of $3.51 or more. So we're kind of counting on that tax to trigger that DG reward coupon. If this doesn't work and y'all don't end up just paying taxes on the 24 packs of bottled water, all you have to do is ask the cashier if you could swap that out for a 32 pack of the Clover Valley water. And this is going to be really simple because typically they have the barcodes up right beside the register so that you guys don't have to lift the bottled water out of the cart. So they can just simply cancel that 24 pack and then scan for the 32 pack, and then you can go ahead and pay for it. You're going to be paying $1.25 for the 32 pack after that $3.50 off 1 coupon is applied. So we have a lot of different ways that we can use our 3 off 15 DG store coupon today, whether you want to do the food deal with the coupon matchups at the beginning of the video, whether you want to do a pickup order with the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Dr. Pepper products and take advantage of that glitch, or go in and pick up some Clover Valley bottled water. Either way you want to do it, go out and use that 3 off 15 before it expires. Hey, even if you just run in and get some milk and bread and things that you know that you're going to have to purchase, either way, that's $3 that you're not going to have to pay. So make sure that you use that coupon. If you let that expire, I'm going to be after y'all. All right, not really, but I just want y'all to get in on these deals, guys. So anyways, if you all missed it, I did post the 5 off $25 scenario video earlier today, and I will be leaving that linked in the pinned comment down below, so go check it out if you haven't already. And I'm also working on that Family Dollar video. If I don't get a full video out, I'll just make a post about it in the community tab. So that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video and so that you won't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, please hit that thumbs up button. It just takes not even half a second to hit that little button and it really does help me out. And while you're at it, leave me a comment down below because I love hearing from you guys. And please share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing weekend and I will see you on the next one.